We have already started this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. And those who are coming for last 2 days, they are not facing any difficulty with this chapter. So be regular in the class, first thing. Okay? Whatever we are teaching, right now we are teaching face to face. That is very important for us. Right? So, who is going to tell me about what we have done in this chapter? Can anyone summarize the chapter? Within 5 minutes. Who is able to do this? I want to know about the proper means what is the theme of the chapter, why it was happened, the bullet point about the chapter. Okay. I am writing, you can speak. First, if we will start this chapter, what will comes in our mind? First is all about the Helmut's boy.
Yes.
Okay. He was very scared regarding the situation, and that the first page of the chapter. It is the end of the chapter. मैंने बताया था that one is the climax. Climax of the chapter. Okay, that is totally end of the chapter. Fine. Now we are moving with the second point. What is the second point? क्या हो सकता है इसके बाद से? Tell me. हाँ? World War One. Okay. World War One हो सकता है. Fine. Why there is a World War One we are taking? What was the reason behind this? We are going to read about the Hitler and we are going to read about the Germany. Why we are thinking that World War is very important when we are going to start with the Germany? Who will tell me? What? When we are talking about the Germany, the Hitler, Nazism and all, Nazis party. So why we are thinking that First World War is very important before starting this chapter? Even I have told you also. In your online classes also I have given you the name of all the allies parties. Diya tha? Who will tell me? See, in the First World War, what was happened? Basically, Germany they lost the battle, fine. And after the Treaty of Versailles is very important because after this First World War, Treaty of Versailles is imposed on the Germany. It is all about the compensation. It is all about they are taking the provinces. It is all about they are taking the factories from the Germany. It is all about, okay. So after that we are having the Weimar Republic. Is it so or not? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. Why we are thinking about the Weimar Republic here? When Weimar Republic is formed, what is the reason behind it?
Peace.
Yes?
Peace.
Peace. Okay. Or try to speak. If you will not take part, democratic form of government, fine, very good. Equality, okay. Freedom, okay. Or try to speak, all of you. I want the answers from all of you. और क्या था? It is a federal structure, federalism, है ना? When in 10th standard you are having a full chapter on federalism. एक chapter ही है पूरा federalism को के ऊपर, ठीक है? We have to understand these all terms. What is federalism basically? See, from the word we can understand federalism. नहीं याद रहता, friend है, friendship याद रखो. Okay, friendship है तो we are having a good harmony amongst our friends. है ना? We are having the peace among the friends. Federalism, ठीक है? So we are having the power. Power is not concentrated in one hand. Okay, that means we are having the central government, we are having the state government, and we are having the local government. In our school also, just think about, we are having the principal sir. He is able to manage all sort of other staff's duties. He is not able to manage. That means we are having the decentralization of power. Okay, in school the principal is important. The same way the didis, those who are working in the school, they are also equally important. है ना? Because if they will not here, then who will clean our classes and toilets and all? Right? That is very. So federalism is something when the power is decentralized, but even then there is a channel of federalism. That means all are cooperatively, they are having a collaboration while working together. That is the essence of collaboration. Okay, they are cooperating each other. So in 10th standard, here is a word in the 9th standard book, federalism. In the 10th standard, you are having one chapter on federalism. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. Even in the civics, I have given you the full flow chart. वो सब आपको काम आएगा. Okay. So in civics, you are not going to have any problem. More or less, the syllabus is same. Okay. So we are talking about the Treaty of Versailles, that is over. Okay, that means all sort of you can say that compensation are imposed. Clear? इसके बाद क्या हुआ Weimar Republic. Now you people have told me it is all about the democratic structure. ठीक है, you are talking about the federalism structure. ठीक है, you are talking about the equality. You are talking about the freedom. जब इतना अच्छा है, then why people are not accepting this Weimar Republic and the rise of Hitler started? Yes.
Ma'am, because in the agreement what just signed, ma'am, the 80%, 75 to 80% of the land and that they will give to the allies.
Very good.
So, ma'am, they were not having much resources.
Okay, very nice. Yes. Or any one of you? Yes, beta. Here is the root cause of the Hitler. It began from the Treaty of Versailles. If you will talk about the causes of the Second World War, again you will emphasize on what? Treaty of Versailles. When we are thinking about any causes, when you are starting anything in your notebook, it is always new. You are starting with the first word in your notebook, and end of the year you will find the notebook is completed. है ना, पूरा खत्म हो जाता है notebook. The same way, this one is the, you can say that it is a spark. Okay, it is a spark only, the Treaty of Versailles. That is the causes for the Second World War. Now people were not happy with the Weimar Republic, that you already know. Suppose in our country only, if our country is going to sign any treaty, okay, and they are thinking, just think for a minute. India is trying to think to instead of fighting and this or that, better give Kashmir to Pakistan. What you will think? Just for one area only. We means never ever want this thing in our country. अगर ऐसा होगा तो we all fight together for that. है ना, ऐसा आएगा. So just think about the country, Germany, what type of scenario they have faced. है ना? So this one is the things that were going on in the Germany. ठीक है, Weimar Republic आया, but people are not accepting. Okay, they are accepting. But the second is what type of economic depression is there in the European countries. कैसा economic depression आया? Can anyone tell me? Yes.
Ma'am,
Means you can think about, there is a, you can say that we have already discussed that there is a building that is built on the sand. ठीक है, so sand it is not going to support for long. है ना, it is a means it is a unstable economy that was based after the First World War, and you can say that the areas that are taken from the Germany, they are basically distributed to the other small countries that are not taken by the USA and the USSR. ठीक है, इसके बाद क्या होगा? What's coming in your mind? We are having the economic depression. ठीक है, total stock market it was fall down. Okay, everyone they are pulling their shares. ठीक है ना, shares लेने लगे. They are started selling out. But regarding the companies, they are in the loss. Okay, and those who are the earning, they are means half of the economy of the America that was fall down, and other European countries they are taking the loan from this USA. They are also in the depression. Why? In the economic depression, because America is also they are having the economic instability in the country. Reason is that all countries they were involved in the First World War. If any country if they won or they lose, ठीक है, एक country जीतता है चाहे हारता है, both the countries they are facing the losses. ठीक है, material, human being, everywhere. If you won the war also, you can't say कि yes, it is the complete winning. Okay, loss is always there. Material का loss होता है, human का loss होता है. Okay, suffering is always there. Right? इसके बाद क्या था?
rise of Hitler.
Why rise of Hitler? Why? Yes, Mr. Why? Or any more ideas?
Democracy
Mhm.
and they tried for a dictatorship or a monarchy.
Mhm.
After that,
Mhm.
Hitler came over.
Very good. See here, we are having several factors, and no one is happy with the Weimar Republic. You already know because they have signed the Treaty of Versailles. Okay, they have given lots of provinces to the allied powers. Okay, people were not happy. Instead of they are having all sort of federalism, they are having the democratic structure of the government and everything. लोग खुश नहीं थे. They want someone, those who means they are having the leadership quality, basically the dictatorship. Means there is a one party, one rule and one community. That is the Nazism. Are you getting me? Nazism is an ideology that I have already told you that 5 point the SS is moving on. Social, economic, political, psychological and the education. ठीक है ना? Psychology in the sense it is the mindset, it is the idea that are prevail in the society. है ना? चीजें जो रहती हैं एक आइडियोलॉजी होती है. Right now just think about, we are talking more emphasize on the digitalization of India and it is the need of the hour. सोचो only 9, 10th, 11th and 12th they are taking their school from the February only. They are giving come to the school on February only. What about the other students, those who are still in the home and they are using the technology for taking the classes? So this one is also an ideology. एक ideology है. And this is the need of the hour. समय की जरूरत है हमारी. ठीक है? So they are also having the ideology. They are thinking if there will be one dictatorship, अगर एक ही रहेगा, they can only able to manage the whole thing. And he has having the Nazis parties. It is called as it is having a few other names also. Can anyone tell me the names? आप लोग बुक नहीं देख रहे हो? Only few students they are speaking only. Yes, Amir.
I'm German worker.
जर्मन वर्कर और कौन सा था?
And after that it became National Socialist German.
नेशनल सोशलिस्ट जर्मन वर्कर.
And at last it was known as
नाजीज पार्टी. ठीक है ना? तो ये सारे तीनों एक ही पार्टी है. तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद द नेम. ठीक है? और इसके बाद व्हाट वाज हैपन रिगार्डिंग द सोशल एंड द एजुकेशनल एस्पेक्ट. कैसा था एजुकेशनल एंड द सोशल एस्पेक्ट? यस मिस्टेक.
And the education aspect was that only the British students from the year of 14 and 10 years they were taught the God, that they should worship the God and they were getting the training. And the earlier means small children were getting that discrimination that Jews were not good, should not talk to Jews, and Jews were not getting the education. And when they were grown up, so they were killed in the question.
Okay. Or anyone who want to speak about the social and the educational I am talking about. We talk about the educational as well as the social. But there is some more point about that. Yes, Misty? You have to take all these points, the chapter will move on. Any chapter of SS. आप किसी भी चैप्टर को उठा लो, फर्स्ट चैप्टर, सेकंड चैप्टर, थर्ड, एनी चैप्टर. दिस 5 point only you will forgot कि मतलब क्या था, तो always take this 5 point. The things will come in your mind. ठीक है? You will separate this 5 points and things will come in your mind. Yes, this is very true. Germans basically, I have told you, they believe on one rule, one person, one community. That type of things they are having in their mind. ठीक है? So what they basically want, they want those who are the Jews, those who are the gypsies, they were somewhere responsible for the First World War. Even they are blaming that the Jews, basically they are also responsible for they are the killer of the Jesus Christ. Okay, that's why they are telling that there is only one solution for that, that is the killing only. ठीक है? Kill them, that is only the solution for them. That type of psychology was there, that is the ideology was there. ठीक है ना? So they are putting them into the gas chamber and releasing the gas and they were dying. Okay? And what about the social? You can talk about the women's also. Women's basically, why they are focusing on the healthy child. Basically, those who are giving birth to the healthy child, they are getting rewarded in Germany by Hitler. Why? Yes, Mahesh.
Because
See, any country want to be the stronger, first they are think about the military. Military should be very strong. ठीक है? Understood or not? So he is focusing more on, they are not working for the social causes. They are only working to expand their military past. Okay? They are thinking from the birth of the child, if you will train them, within 17 or 18 years, they are able to fight the war with the other countries. And that is the Nazism. They are training the children. When they grow up, they are having the essence of fight. Okay? They are basically goes to the military only. They have to serve the nation only. Clear? So this one is the ideology. और क्या था? Few factors were there. The Tripartite Pact. Okay, we are also having the, like in your class also you are having some good friends. They are giving the notebook when you are absent. ऐसा होता है ना, आपने नहीं दिया. So what we have concluded from this, we have concluded that we are supposed to move with the 5 aspects: social, economic, political, education, and the psychology. Take these 5 points and think about this chapter. This chapter is all about. Okay. Thank you.